Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Andrews. Today we're going to wrap up our unit RI.1.9 with lesson number 3, where we're comparing and contrasting non-fiction texts. Statement: I can find the similarities and the differences between two texts on the same topic. Okay. So let's little review. What is comparing and contrasting? When you compare and contrast in reading, you are looking for things that are the same and things that are different. So we've talked about our two forests. One's in the summer, one's in the winter. They both have trees. They're both outside. You both can see the sky. The differences is one's in the summer, so it's green. One's in the winter, it's white. So one in the summer is warm, the one in the winter is cold. So we can talk about temperatures and the colors that are different. Okay. Next one, we're going to read two stories. Well, technically, they're not stories, they are recipes. So these are what we call procedural nonfiction texts. So the first one is how to make chocolate chip cookies. So first, you will need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So remember, pre means before. So before you cook, you need to heat your oven. You need to measure all of your ingredients and lay them out. Then you will mix sugar and brown sugar together. You will add 1 egg at a time and mix. Finally, you will mix vanilla, salt, sugar, and chocolate chips. You will scoop the batter onto a flat cookie sheet. Bake the cookies for 10 minutes. Let them cool and enjoy. Okay, the second one is chocolate cupcakes. First, you will preheat. You will need to heat your oven to 350 degrees. Put thin paper liners in a cupcake tray. Measure all your ingredients and lay them out. Then in a bowl, you're going to mix together butter, sugar, eggs, flour, cocoa, baking powder, milk, and salt. Scoop the batter into the paper liner cups evenly. You're going to bake the cupcakes for 20 to 25 minutes. You're going to let them cool after they finish cooking. Decorate the chocolate with chocolate ice cream and chocolate sprinkles. Next that we're going to be comparing and contrasting. And here is your first worksheet that you're going to use. You're going to compare and contrast the photographs and the procedures in the text. So on the first line, in the first two boxes right here, it says photograph similarities, and what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the photographs and you're going to tell me how are they similar, and so here we're going to say how they're similar and how they are different. And then here you're going to talk about the procedures. What did we do that was the same in making the chocolate chip cookies and the chocolate cupcakes, and then what were different. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Then we're going to graph it on the Venn diagram. So here you're going to put chocolate chip cookies, and over here you can put chocolate cupcakes. Tell me what was similar on the outside. Okay, extra practice. Don't have a printer. You can read the two, you can read here and answer the questions in your journal. Same with the other two, If you don't have a printer and you can't print these out, it's fine. Just go ahead and write it in your journal or on a piece of paper and just have it with you when we meet. So again, you're going to read the two nonfiction texts, then you're going to answer the questions. Then Google Classroom to print out the materials. And I'll see you on Tuesday next week, May 19th at 10 o'clock to discuss your answers. See you then.